The first three icons of the layout menu allow you to choose between 3D only, which we're viewing here, 3D 2D split, or 2D only. Within the 3D 2D layout, as you scroll through the slices on the right-hand screen, you will see a bar showing you where that slice is located on the 3D anatomy. Within the 2D slice, you can tap the head icon to choose between different planes of section. You can choose sagittal, axial, or coronal planes of section, or you can use the table as the plane of section, and when you rotate the 3D anatomy, it will cut the 3D anatomy where it touches the surface of the table. Within the 2D only layout, you can view a single 2D slice, or by tapping on this brain icon, you can view multiple 2D slices side by side. There are two different layout options for viewing side-by-side slices. You can also change the plane of section for each slice by tapping on the head icon associated with each image. For instance, I can make this one the axial slice and change this one to the sagittal slice. When you use the slider bar to scroll through slices in a given plane, a colored bar will show the corresponding location on the other slices. Notice that as I scroll through the axial slices, a green line on the other two images shows me the location of that slice. As I scroll through the sagittal slice, an orange line will show me my location on the other images. And as I slide through the coronal slices, a blue line will show my location on the other images. The fourth icon in the layout menu is the histology layout. In this layout, tapping on a structure in the 3D anatomy will bring up any associated histology slides for that structure. If there are multiple slides for a given structure, you can tap the arrows to scroll through the collection of slides. For slides that are annotated, you can tap on the information icon to learn what the abbreviations stand for. Additionally, you can tap on the slide icon to bring up the entire histology library.